This is a 2-product review video. This is the Paw Hut 55-inch length 2-tier wooden Rabbit Hutch. It has a ramp and has a waterproof roof with a removable tray and outdoor run. This is the perfect outdoor addition to our mini farm with this rustic cottage design. Using solid fir wood and steel wire for superior strength and durability, our 2 bunnies are going to be happy to see their new home. Second, we have the Liberty Outdoor folding ring spiral ground anchors. This is what we use to anchor down both our rabbit hutch and chicken coop.